Okay, guess what? I'm with one of my very favorite agents here, and what we're doing is we're touring some great properties here in Freeport, Bahamas. So we are here at Shoreline. These are the back of the beautiful house. Very, very developed community. I love this. Lots of pools. Every 7 homes is a pool. It's run as a pod. In America, we call it a pod. Your HOA covers your landscaping, your painting, taking care of that. But look where you are in the ocean. This is what's important. You've backed up to your ocean. You're on the southern shore. You're on Fortune Bay. You have Fortune Key right next door. And this is just an amazing community. Something that I would pick. You can pay a minimum of 3 months rent. So you don't have to put like a quick turnover. You know, you have people here, families here. You got folks that want to be here. A lot of them are occupied. I absolutely love this. You get to walk the beach. You're here on the beach, so welcome to Shoreline. That's why it's called this. So here we are on Fortune Bay. Gorgeous beaches. We're on the south area of the shore. Got that? How many S's would you say? Welcome to Freeport.